Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of the Wood Lathe Machine, one of the most important tools in modern woodworking. In this video, you'll see how a simple piece of raw wood is transformed into a beautifully crafted product using precision engineering, advanced technology, and expert craftsmanship. The woodworking process begins by selecting a suitable piece of timber. Different types of wood offer unique colors, grain patterns, and strength. Hardwoods like oak, walnut, maple, and cherry are often chosen for premium furniture and decorative items, while softwoods are commonly used for practice projects and lightweight products. Once the wood is selected, it is carefully mounted between the headstock and tailstock of the lathe machine. The workpiece must be securely fixed before the machine starts. Proper alignment is essential because it ensures smooth rotation and reduces vibration during the turning process. As the machine begins spinning, the operator adjusts the speed according to the size and type of wood. Larger pieces require slower speeds for safety, while smaller projects can be turned at much higher speeds for smoother cutting and greater precision. The first stage is called rough turning. During this step, a roughing gouge removes the corners of the wooden block, gradually shaping it into a perfectly round cylinder. Although this stage removes a large amount of material, it lays the foundation for the final design. After rough turning, the craftsman switches to specialized wood turning tools, such as spindle gouges, bowl gouges, skew chisels, and parting tools. These tools allow precise shaping, decorative detailing, and smooth finishing. Every movement of the cutting tool requires skill, patience, and years of experience. After the rough shape is complete, different turning tools are used to create detailed designs. Bowl gouges, spindle gouges, skew chisels, and parting tools help carve elegant curves, decorative patterns, and smooth profiles.